You're gonna stay there. Would you like to say anything on it?
So before we get to this piece,
I would like to tell a quick story. So a couple weeks ago, after cleaning choir hall, I was looking back in the library through all of our music, because I think Mrs. Tina asked me to find Light of a Clear Blue Morning. So I was looking through the music, and I found a piece that I really, really loved. It's called I'll Be Seeing You, arranged by Phil Matson. So I picked up the piece, I looked at Mrs. Tina, I said, why do we have this here? I don't think we remembered why we had this here, but I remember her telling me that, if I remember correctly, you sang this your freshman year here. So I decided at that moment that I would love Bare Voices to pull this together through many secret meetings and an emergency rehearsal yesterday. We have pulled together I'll Be Seeing You, arranged by Phil Matson.
Yes, he is.
Sure,
Right here.
Mr. Slater. I know there he is. Folks, this is my high school choir director, Mr. Slater. Thank you, Bare Voices. Good luck to all of us and this last piece together.